Hi guys! I'm Kenny and welcome back. I hope you're all doing well today. So as you guys can tell sa may title, for today's video, may bagong brand tayong susubukan and actually, local brand siya and yung tawag sa kanya is Squad Cosmetics. I actually have been wanting to try this brand simula nung nakita ko siya kay May Layug and in-add to cart ko na siya actually sa may Lazada but buti na lang hindi ko muna binili kasi nung gabing in-add to cart ko siya, nag-message sa akin yung Squad Cosmetics and sabi nila magpapadala sila kaya eto guys, hindi ko na binili. Pinadala na lang nila ako. Sobrang nakaka-curious kasi dahil most of their products are super affordable and kung hindi ako nagkakamali, yung pinaka-expensive is yung palettes nila and around ano lang siya, 250 to 280 pesos. Less than 300 pesos lang. Kaya ayun guys, sobrang curious talaga ako malaman kung maganda ba yung quality niya kasi diba, affordable siya and kung maganda yung quality niya for its price, sobrang sulit niya. Before we continue, of course, if this is your first time here, if you haven't already, don't forget to click the subscribe and bell button para ma-notify kayo kapag may mga bago akong videos. Anyway, if you guys want to know kung maganda ba yung quality and performance nitong Squad Cosmetics products, of course, just keep on watching. To save time off camera ko na tinapos yung aking kilay and yung product na ginamit ko is of course from Squad Cosmetics and yung tawag sa kanya is Brow Game Eyebrow Pencil. This one retails for 119 pesos and dito sa may packaging niya sabi it contains 0.3 grams. It is made in China, cruelty-free and 24 months to expiration. This is how the packaging looks like. So sa may isang side, nandoon yung pencil of course and this is the amount of product that you're getting. Tapos on the other end, nandoon naman yung kanyang spoolie. So dito sa may pangkilay nila actually sobrang na-enjoy ko siya kasi maganda yung consistency ng kanyang pencil. Hindi siya sobrang stiff and hindi din naman sobrang creamy. Saktong-sakto lang siya. It is also very pigmented kasi guys, tignan nyo, isang slide nyo lang na ganyan tapos kahit light-handed lang kayo, talagang kumakapit na sa skin yung kulay ng pigment or ng pangkilay. Also, yung spoolie, maganda yung quality niya kasi kapag pinang-brush nyo siya sa may kilay, hindi siya makati sa skin and hindi siya matigas. Okay na okay siyang ipang-blend. So yeah, overall para sa akin, I don't have anything bad to say about this product. Okay sa akin yung pangkilay nila. Sad to say pero wala pa silang primer kaya to prime my face, ang ginamit ko na lang is yung aking Quick FX No Shine Mattifier. When it comes sa may base products, they have 3. So yung first one is yung kanilang You Can Face It On The Go Stick Foundation which retails for 129 pesos. Meron din silang BB Cream which retails for 159 pesos and Liquid Foundation which retails for 180 pesos. Dalawa yung pinadala nila sa akin, BB Cream and Liquid Foundation and in this video, yung susubukan natin is yung kanilang You Can Face It na Liquid Foundation. 4 nga pala yung shades na available dito sa may product na to. So from here to here, yung mga shades are Warm Light, Ivory, Light Beige, and Beige. Again, 180 pesos yung presyo nito. It contains 11 grams and 24 months yung kanyang shelf life after opening. When it comes sa may packaging, actually, sobrang gusto ko siya kasi it's very sleek. Perfect for traveling and airless pump siya. Kaya sigurado talaga kayo na masisimot nyo hanggang dulo. Tapos, ang classy. Maganda yung quality ng packaging niya. Dalawa yung shade na pinagpipilian kong gamitin dito sa may foundation and that is Ivory and Warm Light. Sa 4 na shade kasing meron sila, parang ito yung dalawang shade na pinaka-close sa aking skin tone and feeling ko magagamit ko and ngayong tinitingnan ko guys, feeling ko etong shade na to yung pinaka-perfect or hindi naman perfect but close match sa may skin ko. Eto kasing shade na Warm Sand, parang masyado siyang yellow for my skin tone kaya dito na lang tayo sa may shade na Ivory. By the way, para may idea din kayo, eto yung dalawang darkest colors. So, etong shade na to is Light Beige and eto naman is Beige. Subukan na natin yung foundation and let's see how it works. In fairness, ang bango niya guys ha, amoy floral. Pero hindi naman siya yung floral na sobrang intense or overpowering. Saktong-sakto lang yung bango niya. When it comes naman sa may consistency ng foundation, as you can see, medyo thick yung kanyang formula. So yan, gawin natin is i-apply lang muna natin yung foundation sa aking face using my finger. Tapos i-blend lang natin siya using a sponge. I forgot to read yung claims ng foundation but it says here na high coverage liquid foundation siya and it gives your skin a naturally fresh finish. I honestly have no idea kung ano ba yung high coverage. Full coverage ba siya or medium? Hindi ko sure but anyway, magdagdag pa tayo ng konti. This is how the foundation looks like kapag nakalagay na sa may skin and when it comes sa may coverage niya, for me, masasabi ko na medium yung kanyang coverage, hindi siya high coverage or full. Pero maganda yung itsura niya sa skin and tama nga yung claim nila na it looks very natural kasi when you look at it closely, hindi siya caking tignan. Hopefully nagre-reflect sa may camera but dito sa may part na to, medyo glowy yung itsura niya and That is probably because nga of its finish. Tapos, pagdating naman sa may feeling ng foundation sa may skin, actually, medyo may konti siyang lagkit. Kaya, I suggest na kapag ginamit nyo tong foundation na to, iset nyo talaga siya ng powder para mas maganda and komportable yung feeling niya sa may skin. It's very lightweight as well. Maganda yung feeling niya sa skin and very comfortable. This is how my face looks like after using the foundation, and overall for me, I enjoyed using this and I highly recommend it. Perfect to for everyday kasi nga yung coverage niya is medium lang and very lightweight sa may skin. And siguro yung ano lang, parang hindi naman complaints, but isa-suggest ko sa kanila is that i-expand nila yung shade range kasi I feel like 4 shades is not enough. Hopefully in the future, di ba, i-expand nila yung shades or kaya this coming 2020 kasi I'm very sure na maraming morena yung gustong subukan to. Kaya please, Squad Cosmetics, kung nanonood man po kayo, utang na loob, i-expand nyo yung shades kasi 4 shades is honestly not enough. Again, okay na okay yung quality ng foundation and yung finish niya sa may skin, but yung shade range, pakiusap, dagdagan po natin. Wala pa silang concealer kaya ang gagamitin ko na lang is yung aking Fit Me in the shade Sand. Para hindi mag-move yung ating foundation and concealer, of course, isasat natin yung face natin ng powder, and yung gagamitin ko is yung kanilang You Can Face It Pressed Powder with Vitamin E. This retails for 229 pesos. It contains 11 grams and 24 months yung kanyang shelf life after opening. Meron din silang refill para sa main powder, and yung presyo nito guys is only 99 pesos, and super nice nun, diba? Kasi makakatipid kayo and hindi masasayang yung packaging. Ganito yung itsura ng powder kapag malapitan, and yung shade nga palang gagamitin ko guys is Warm Light. Okay, so first impression dito sa may powder is that hindi ganun ka-powdery or ka-intense yung kickback niya kapag ginagamitan ng brush, which is great. Kasi hindi masasayang yung powder. So, ang gawin natin guys is i-press lang natin siya all over our face. Huwag nyo nga palang isuswirl yung brush kapag naglalagay kayo ng powder guys ha, kasi mag-move yung foundation and concealer na nilagay nyo. Papangit yung finish niya. This is how my face looks like after using the powder, and okay yung itsura niya sa skin. Hindi naman sobrang powdery ng itsura niya kasi kapag hinawakan nyo yung pinaka-powder, it's finely milled. Pinong-pino siya. Tapos napansin ko na parang nag-add din siya ng konting coverage, which is great. Okay yung powder guys. Maganda yung feeling niya sa skin kasi it doesn't feel drying and it's lightweight. Hindi siya mabigat. Sad to say, pero hindi ko masusubukan yung contour dito sa kanilang blush and contour palette kasi masyado siyang red and warm. Kaya to contour my face, ang gagamitin ko na lang is yung aking Vice Cosmetics na Contour in the Shade For Sure. Hindi ko natatangkain pang subukan yung contour sa may face palette nila kasi alam kong hindi siya mag-work guys, as in. Sobrang red ng kulay niya, so baka masira lang yung base natin, kaya eto na lang Vice yung gamitin natin. For the eyes, yung gagamitin natin in this video guys is yung kanilang Berry Squad na eyeshadow palette. So, dito sa may information sheet, sabi, it retails for 199 pesos. Apat yung shades or variants na available, and that is Boss, Peachy, Berry, and Neutral. 24 months after opening yung shelf life, and kagaya ng ibang product, it is also made in China. This is how the eyeshadow palette looks like when you look at it closely, and as you can see, super nice ng mga kulay. Especially yung mga shimmer shades, oh my god, super gaganda nila. So, swatch lang tayo ng ilang shades, and start tayo dito sa may parang berry shade. So, first impression, pinong-pino yung powder ng matte. It doesn't feel chalky, which is great. So, dito naman sa may shade na to, medyo nagka-crumble siya kasi sobrang soft, but ayun nga, very buttery yung texture. 2 more shades. So, ang iswatch naman natin this time is yung parang medyo may pagka-purple na shade, and same lang din guys, pinong-pino siya. And lastly, ang iswatch natin is itong metallic na parang may pagka-silver siya eh. Oh, it is very crumbly. So, be careful guys kasi medyo messy gamitin to. So, iswatch na natin siya, and yung shimmery shade, wow. Oh my god. It looks like foil. Sa may matte shade, maganda yung color payoff niya. So, this one naman, hindi ganun ka-intense yung kanyang pigment, but nag-show up pa din and decent. Okay siya. The final shade is yung purple na metallic, and let's see how it looks like. Yeah, medyo messy lang siyang gamitin, but as you can see, yung color payoff naman, super duper intense, as in nandyan talaga yung pigment. For my transition color, etong shade na to yung gamitin natin, which is yung parang light plum or purple shade. Medyo powdery siya, kaya be careful guys kapag ginagamit nyo. So ganito yung itsura ng first color kapag nakalagay na sa may lid, and in fairness naman, okay yung kanyang color payoff, and kitang-kita naman diba na nag-show up yung kulay. It's very easy to blend as well and hindi patchy. Next color naman na susubukan natin from this palette is yung second shade, and gagamitin natin siya para i-darken ng konti yung ating crease. Okay yung matte eyeshadows, guys. I mean, hindi naman siya yung super duper intense when it comes sa may pigment, but it's showing up, and for its price, not bad. You can build it up para makuha yung desired yung intensity, and maganda yung kapit niya sa may skin. I feel like as long as you know what you're doing and magaganda yung tools na gamit nyo, you can achieve any kind of looks na gusto nyo magawa gamit yung mga shadows. Para naman sa may center ng aking lid, ang gagamitin ko from this palette is yung middle shade, which is yung purple. So with this one, guys, ang gagamitin ko na lang is yung aking finger to apply. Tapos, ayan, i-press lang natin siya all over our lid. Maganda yung kapit ng shimmer shadow kapag ka-finger yung gamit. Kaya I suggest na if ever na may ganito kayong palette, yung finger na lang gamitin yung pang-apply. Or kaya naman kung gagamit kayo ng brush, basain nyo na lang siya ng konti para mas foiled yung effect niya. Hindi ko sure kung maganda yung kakalabasan nito, guys, ha? But gusto ko kasing gamitin tong kulay parang silver na eyeshadow. So, i-apply natin siya sa may center. Okay naman pala yung kakalabasan niya, and in fairness, guys, I love how it looks like kapag nilagay na sa may lid. Parang medyo chunky kasi siya kaya kapag nilagay nyo sa may center ng lid, para siyang specks of glitter, pero hindi naman siya glitter. Tapos, guys, for my lower lash line, ang gagawin ko is, kukunin ko lang yung second shade na matte, and medyo i-ano lang natin siya, smoky. So, they also have a liquid eyeliner, and yung tawag lang sa kanya is liquid eyeliner. And this one naman, ang presyo niya is, let me check, 99 pesos lang siya, and it says here that this liquid eyeliner is an easy-to-apply liquid eyeliner with a foam tip that's both long-lasting and highly pigmented. This one contains 2 grams and 8 months yung kanyang shelf life after opening. Buksan lang natin siya tapos subukan na natin. This is how the packaging looks like. Super duper cute. So, ganito naman yung tip ng product, and as you can see, sobrang sharp and nipis talaga ng dulo niya. This is how the eyeliner looks like, and when it comes to my application, actually, mabilis siyang i-apply, hindi naman siya nagtatag. Very comfortable to use, and when it comes to my finish, medyo may pagka-glossy siya ng konti, hindi siya totally matte. To be honest, para sa akin, pagdating sa mascara at eyeliner, pare-pareho lang yan. Kaya I don't really care that much dito sa may product na to, but overall, okay naman siya. Para naman sa aking blush and highlight, yung gagamitin natin is this one, and yung tawag sa kanya is Squad Contour and Blush Low-Key Palette. This one as well retails for 199 pesos. It contains 20 grams and 24 months yung kanyang shelf life after opening. So sa may description, sabi, an ultimate blush palette featuring 4 versatile shades that's perfect for any skin tone, mood, or event. It comes in 2 shades, Spilty and Low-Key. This is how the palette looks like. So dito meron tayong highlight, contour, and sa may kabilang side, meron tayong dalawang blush. So, iswatch muna natin sila, and wow! Super duper soft. Like, pinong-pino siya, guys. Pati yung mga blush, pinong-pino yung powder. And dito naman sa may highlight, medyo may konti siyang grit, but hindi naman yung sobrang gritty. Pino pa din in a way. Wow! Super intense nung pigment nung blush. In fairness, maganda yung pigment. Sa may highlight, pigmented as well, kaya lang I feel like hindi siya ganun ka-blinding. Parang very natural na glow lang yung ibibigay niya sa skin. Super nice, very pigmented yung product. For my blush in this palette, ang gagamitin ko is this one. Subukan natin siya. Ooh, it's very powdery. Be careful, guys. Pinong-pino siya, but OA sa pagka-powdery. Medyo natatakot tuloy ako, so i-top off natin yung excess. Ayan, tingnan nyo, guys. Super intense ng fallout. So, this is how the blush looks like sa may cheeks, and for me, I like it. Maganda yung formula niya. Kapag ka nilagay sa skin, maganda yung kapit niya, it's not powdery, and it's easy to blend. Kaya lang, guys, you have to be careful kasi sobrang intense nga nung fallout niya and nung pigment. Kaya I suggest na kapag ka gagamitin nyo siya, magsimula na lang kayo sa konti tapos i-build up nyo na lang. And to highlight, of course, ang gagamitin natin is yung highlighter sa may palette. Highlight looks like this, and tama nga, very natural lang and subtle yung glow na binibigay niya. Kaya kung ang hanap yung highlighter is yung very natural looking and perfect for everyday, that one okay na okay siya. So this is how my face looks like after using this palette, and overall para sa akin, etong kanilang Squad Contour and Blush Low-Key Palette, I like it, and For me siguro, masasabi ko lang or medyo hindi ko gusto is yung contour kasi nga hindi ko siya magagamit. For me, I feel like mas okay sana kung ang ginawa na lang nila is highlighter na lang din siya instead of a contour. That way, parang mas maximize yung palette and mas magagamit siya, di ba? But still, regardless, maganda pa din yung product kasi pinong-pino yung mga blush, very easy to blend, very pigmented, and yung highlight. Maganda yung itsura sa may skin. Final product na susubukan natin in this video is yung kanilang lipstick and yung tawag dito is Squad Soft Matte Lipstick. 149 pesos yung presyo nito and it contains a 4.1 gram. 8 nga pala yung shades na available dito guys and yung shade na gagamitin natin is called Shine. And ayan guys, ganito yung kanyang itsura. By the way, when it comes nga pala sa may packaging ng kanilang lipstick, super nice kasi it's made of paper. Ito lang part na to ng component yung gawa sa plastic but the rest, paper siya. Nakakatuwa, ang cute ng packaging niya. Ito naman yung itsura ng lipstick on the lips and when it comes sa may formula niya, it's very comfortable. It's lightweight and very hydrating as well. Sa may finish naman ng lipstick, hindi ko masasabi na matte yung finish niya kasi when you look at it, diba, parang sobrang glossy and shiny niya. But personally for me, I don't mind kasi ganito naman yung klase ng lipstick na mas prefer ko. But ayun nga, medyo ano lang, misleading in a way kasi diba, matte daw yung finish niya. Okay naman yung lipstick and even though may mga dry patches ako sa lips, hindi niya naman na-emphasize masyado. Maganda pa din yung itsura niya. This is the completed look. Overall, para sa akin, masasabi ko na this brand is worth giving a shot kasi magaganda yung quality ng product nila for its price. For those of you na nagbabalak subukan to, wag na kayo magdalawang isip. Go ahead and subukan nyo sila kasi hindi masasayang yung pera nyo. Lahat ng products nila are under 200 pesos lang, kaya ang bongga, di ba? Hindi mabigat sa bulsa. Okay na okay. Ito yung tatlong product na may i-recommend ko from them. So yung first one is yung kanilang foundation. Second is yung Berry Squad eyeshadow palette and yung third is yung kanilang contour and blush palette. Sobrang nice nitong tatlong product na to and talagang great value for money. I don't really have anything much to say, so yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope na nag-enjoy kayo and please let me know sa may comment section below kung alin sa mga product na sinubukan ko yung bibili nyo kasi I would love to know. If you enjoyed watching, of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and if you haven't already, don't forget to click the subscribe and bell button para ma-notify kayo kapag may mga bago akong videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much and I hope to see all of you again on my next one.